today is probably the happiest day in Lydia's life.
Yes.
Because we are going to save some barn kitties. A friend of ours found some little kitties in his barn. Mama cat's nowhere to be found, so guess who gets to save them? Lydia's been wanting a cat forever, but we've never done it. We actually have had a couple cats in the past, but they died, and so we never got another one. But this is pretty much Lydia's favorite thing ever. Yes. Kitties.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love.
Kevin, did you think that your first outing after your surgery would be to go get some kitties?
Yes. Just what I thought.
Are you prepared to take care of them?
Yeah. I'm prepared.
Kitty, what is it?
Oh my goodness, Lydia. Hey, let's clean them up. Okay. Well, I definitely was not planning on having kitties at our house, but Lydia loves cats, and if there's an opportunity for us to help some little kitties out, I guess we'll do it. It's not like we already don't have our hands full with this lot over here. Yeah, I'm talking about you, Luna. How did you get locked in there? Fred. All right, I know last time I accidentally called George Fred, but in my defense, I was really tired. I don't know. Definitely messed up there. Look at you. Why did you squeeze in there? Fred. Can you push it open? Oh my gosh. He locked himself in there. Come on. Come on, chicken. Oh, the chicken can get out. Go on. Go do your pig things that you do. Lydia and I dewormed the kitties and then gave them a little natural flea bath with some dish soap. So as long as they eat every 3 hours, I think they'll be good.
You can tell it's irrigation day when all the birds are like so excited. It's Christmas. They're coming over next to the wall and trying to get the irrigation that's coming out from under the neighbor's yard, and they're so happy. They're finding the new bugs that come out, because when irrigation comes, it floods out the bugs and they get to eat all the bugs. Turkeys, they love irrigation too. Look at that, they're so excited. You guys so excited for the irrigation? But then you look at the goats. The goats are scared of irrigation. Where's the goats? Hey guys, where are ya? Tilly, Stella, look at that. The goats are like, we're scared of irrigation. We're gonna sit under here because irrigation's scary. You believe that? You guys are party poopers. Time for irrigation to begin. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Through and into the yard. There you go, chicken. Have fun.
All right, Ethan, we have a surprise for you.
What?
Are you excited?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, close your eyes. Lydia will bring it out. It's what you've always wanted.
Okay, I'll put it down.
Okay, open your eyes. Yep.
What is it?
What do you think?
Can't tell if they're cats or dogs.
They're little kitties.
Kitties?
Kitties. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. Dora, get out of here. You know? I don't trust you.
A friend of ours found them in his barn, and they were just like, they're like 3 weeks old.
So
And we checked them all, they're all females.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, we do have tomcats in this neighborhood, so are we gonna get them spayed?
Yeah.
Careful that one screams.
This one does?
That one's
You're
a
not even
screamer.
grabbing it the right way.
Dora,
That's the nicest one. He just stays quiet.
come on, Minnie, come on.
This
Come
one's
on, Minnie.
nice
Come on,
and
Minnie.
sweet.
That
Do
one.
they have names yet?
I want to name one Dot.
They can't see yet, can they?
A little bit, maybe.
Oh, this one's eyes are wide open, yeah.
Yeah.
They're just not walking too well yet.
Now we're gonna have to think of 3 names. Pigs have been swimming in the irrigation all morning. They're nasty.
Oh my god.
They've been over there in that mud pit over there.
Our ankles will never be clean again. If I just run back there, they should follow me, and then I'll just close the gate behind me.
All right, are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Without the bucket?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
Then you can.
I'll bring the bucket to you.
Okay, ready, go.
They're fast!
They just ran over that chicken. All right, Ethan, now you can bring the food. Hurry, hurry, bring the food.
There was a pine cone in the gate. Okay, now you have to pull a pig over there.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, see, he eats all the stuff first. He drinks.
He drinks the stuff first. Fred doesn't like to be touched.
He's okay. He just.
No, he's like mad. I can just hear him.
He's breathing really loud. He's like.
Mmm. Oh, let's see this one eat the turkey egg. I gave George a turkey egg this morning. Let's see if he'll eat it. No, not yet. Hurry up, eat it. It's yummy. I don't think George likes turkey eggs.
I'm with Penny and Tilly.
Every morning there's bargaining on who's gonna milk which goat. So today, Lydia has decided to milk Penny and Tilly.
And I'm gonna milk Doris and Luna.
Do you both feel like this is an equal deal?
Yes.
Think so?
It's like a brick wall. What does that hurt?
Feels good. It's like a scratching post. Kiwi and her babies have their own special place over here. I'm gonna show it to you. Right here, under the big Chinese elm tree. Stella, enough! Loudest goat in the entire world right there, guys. They hide out down here and roost up here and then jump down there and then they get stuck and we have to let them out. Okay, no, not yet.
Oh, no. She's patient.
Tilly's weird because she stands with this leg really far up.
Yeah,
Kind of like
she's really weird.
she kind of is at an angle, which I guess is good for you.
Then I feel like this foot wants to go forward and then like...
Yeah, you're afraid she's gonna step into it.
Because her legs are so small, you can easily just
Like,
go.
bring your leg forward, miss. Oh my gosh. Are you guys sick of being in here? Yes? They're just kind of chilling, I guess. Whenever we're over here, they're quiet. Then as soon as we leave, they start to scream.
All right, it's time to come out.
Yay!
Let's see who they go to first. See if they can find their moms. Which one's the fastest? Oh, Stella's way faster. Oh, she already found Luna. Going to town. Is that yummy? Fern's gonna find Tilly. Let's see if she can get to her. Oh. Man, Tilly never wants to feed her babies in the morning. It's the weirdest thing. Hey, I guess some hay will just have to do today, huh? She'll feed you in a little bit. Tilly wasn't a very good mom, but I have high hopes that maybe she'll get a little bit better at it maybe next time around. I don't think any goat on our farm is going to be as good as Mom as Penny. And sometimes I wonder if that's why she stopped eating, because her babies were gone. Sad. She's back to eating normal now.
Hi.
Poor Willow. She has to wait till the very end.
I guess you could come in now.
Yeah, you could let Willow in now.
You go straight up the stairs.
She'll go up the stand, but
Go. Not you, Stella.
come on, Luna. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
she's in.
It's okay, we're gonna block her up over on this side.
I know. Fuck her up. Okay, Luna.
Ready?
Position her. Alright, good job.
do it.
Come on.
Come on.
Go.
I believe.
You can. She's gonna.
Go.
Yay!
Yay! Did it! Ethan gets to milk big ol' Luna.
Yep.
Kevin still isn't really feeling up to speed yet. So we're still doing all the morning chores and Ethan gets to help us milk Luna here. Good times.
Are you ready, kids? Coffee strike immediately.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Willow, are you done yet?
Doris, you already went.
Yeah, she's good.
Hi.
Why?
Okay, time to get out. She's the worst one. She never wants to leave.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, she's scared of Doris. That's the thing.
Oh, Doris is back.
Doris is so intimidating.
You're done.
Oh no.
Can I kick it?
Yes, kick it.
Ta-da!
We fixed it.
They
That's
keep
the reason
trading
they
spots,
scream.
and that's why
They're
get mad.
all mad. They all don't want to lay in the nest boxes,
there's
but I'm
one
gonna
there.
put some more shavings in there, and then it'll be
Yeah,
fluffy.
they'll like it. But there's one right there, and then there's one waiting.
It's my turn next, guys.
Why do they want to lay in the corner? Super annoying.
It's hard to get down there.
Oh my gosh, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my gosh!
There's so many. All the brown egg-laying chickens want to lay in the corner. All the white laying chickens want to lay in there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, every day Kiwi lays one egg. And so our job is to find it.
And now that we have irrigation, she could have laid it in the irrigation.
And it's probably floated away somewhere.
Where does she normally lay?
Sometimes she lays everywhere. So sometimes she'll lay in those igloos. Sometimes she'll lay right here.
Where did you lay, Kiwi?
Unless the pigs ate it already.
Yeah, maybe the pigs will just get to it today.
Oh man. Well, look at them. They're so.
Why are you still in there? We just let you out. We're all out of our milk filters, so I think I'm gonna have to do this old school and use just like cloth. It'll be fine, right? Well, it was a lot faster than the regular milk filters, but hopefully it got all of it. Yikes, I hope so. There's always like bugs that fall in it and flies and hair, little flecks of alfalfa. We don't want any of that in our milk.
I'm gonna try and feed them with the bottle first, okay?
Okay.
And if they don't take that, then we can, hey, you're okay.
Okay, let's see if they'll take that bottle.
You got a suck, bud.
A little bit.
I'm squeezing a little bit extra just so.
There you go, a little bit.
Stop turning your head like that. Trying to give her a little extra.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's a little bit, they're doing a little bit better, don't you think? There's a little bit of sucking right there.
It's weird because sometimes they just kind of sit there.
Yeah, sometimes well, maybe they're just like swallowing
Oh, yeah.
in between. Did they keep you up last night?
They didn't. I didn't hear them today. They're more active and
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the big dude, okay?
Okay.
She usually drinks the best.
Oh, it's so cute. So it's day 2 with the kitties. So we're trying to get as many feedings in as possible so that tonight Lydia doesn't have to wake up. We're gonna see if she can pull this off. You just gotta kind of shove it in, huh?
Mm.
There we go. Is that good? Is that yummy?
My gosh.
Oh. Have you thought of names yet?
Some. I've got ideas, you know?
Tell us a few of your favorites.
I like Dot a lot. I think that's cute. I like really short names. I like Pip. I like Chloe. I like Misty. I like Boo. Even though that's...
So I think we've read up enough and we've raised puppies in the past to take care of these kitties, but if you have any advice for us, if you've done this before, go ahead and post below in the comments. And if you have any name suggestions, Lydia will consider it.
I will consider it.